Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Leslie Ramos and today we're doing a makeup tutorial. It's been a long time. I know it's been like 3-4 months, I think. Yeah. So in honor of Latinx Heritage Month, I am going to do an inspired makeup look. So if you want to see what I come up with, then just keep on watching. So I did already prep my skin. I used my Fenty Skin and I used the fat water and my moisturizer this morning, and then I went ahead and already primed my face with the Smashbox Vitamin Glow. I am going to do soap brows today, so I use the Pears transparent transparent soap, and I do soap brows. So I will have a tutorial on soap brows on my channel soon, just because that's what I've been doing. Okay, I know my brows look a little crazy, but they're just soaped in. They will look better when I do my eyes. So I'm going to start off with the eyes. I am going in with concealer first. So I did already practice this tutorial before I filmed it, because I know how long it can be when I do stuff, so that's why I'm like, okay, let me practice this first before I film it, because I want it to be perfect, and also I just want it to take less time than it already is, because it takes me a long time because I'm a perfectionist, so it takes a long time for me to get stuff right and how I want them, and if they don't turn out, I just kind of like discourage myself. So I am gonna go ahead and use my e.l.f. Hydrating Camel Concealer in Medium Peach, and I'm also gonna go in with Fair Rose. Then I take this Morphe brush, and M173 Best Concealer Brush, out here, for real. Concealer. And I'm going to drag it out here, because when I do foundation, I don't want like any patchiness of like where there's makeup and no makeup, so. And then going with this e.l.f. sponge, concealer sponge, and diffusing that concealer out so it blends into my skin. We're gonna go in with an angled brush and the LA Girl concealer in flat white. We're gonna go ahead and shape the eye. I'm taking a small little brush and then just perfecting the line with some concealer. Alright, so we have the white laid down. Now we're going to add the color. So I am going to go in with the green. So I'm doing the Mexican flag, because I'm Mexican. Obviously, I'm just kidding, you probably didn't know that, so I'm telling you I'm Mexican. Just take a green color and put it in the inner part of the eye. So I am just going in, I'm gonna start with this eye. And just make sure you pack your brush. So I'm just packing that color in. Make sure you're packing it and not blending it yet, just because you don't want to blend it, or at least not yet. Not until you get to like the white part of your eye that you want the white part to start. So that is where I'm gonna stop the green, and then you're gonna go in with the white here in the middle, just to set the white part. And then we're gonna stop this white kind of by the arch. Yeah, a little past the arch, right here. The red, we're doing it on the outer portion of the eye. Alright, so now we're going back with the white, and then we're just gonna diffuse the white into the red. Alrighty, so I already cleaned up this eye. So now we're gonna go ahead and clean up this eye. So I'm not gonna talk because it takes a lot of concentration for me. So. Sometimes you just gotta go for it. I'm gonna use the Laura translucent. Taking a small fluffy brush with this, and then I'm just gonna go along the edge just to set close enough. I corrected these. Now we are going to do the rest of it. Take the same white angled brush with white concealer, and we're going to do another graphic liner, but this is going to be eyeliner. So I will show you on this side first. Ooh. And then I'm going to fill the rest of it off camera, and then I'll show you the results because it's kind of the same steps as like the top part, just packing it on, filling it in, concealer. So then I will come back and show you how I do my face. Okay, so I'm back. I did my little contour, cream contour, and I used obviously the Fenty in Mocha. Blush. We are going in major blush today. So we're gonna go in with a lot of blush. Blushing to the goods. Pack it on, sis. Now I'm taking a Morphe brush in M510, and it's kind of orange because we are gonna go in with like an orangish highlight. I'm gonna use the Mimosa Sunrise and the duo, the Fenty Beauty duo. So I'm just gonna go in with this orange color highlight, and we're just gonna go in with the highlight, and then I'm gonna go in with the Fenty bronzer to bronze up my forehead a little bit. I use Islanting. So yeah, that's that. We're going in with the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Mist. So we're gonna hydrate the face. So I put on my Ardell Wispies in 113. My 113s are, I love them. I'm gonna do the lip and then we'll do the hair. So I'm gonna go in with the NYX lip liner in brown. And just gonna do our lips. I'm gonna go in with the shade Thick in the Mademoiselle lipsticks from Fenty. Alright, so that's that. And then we're gonna go in with the Gloss Bomb in Hot Chocolate. That looks like this. So I'm going to part my hair in the middle. My hair is parted in the middle. And now we're going to take some sections behind the ear. And pull that back. So now you have two sections here. I am going to take my bangs, so I think I'm only doing this much of bangs, not so much like I usually do. So just taking that, clipping that back. We're going to do 3 sections and 3 sections, just so it's even. So you're going to need some elastics, like mini elastics like this. So I sectioned this first part off, take an elastic, tie that off. Now you are going to divide this in 2. So I kind of go based off like my baby hair. So like right here where I start having a swoop, I'm just going to section it off. Take another elastic. And then you're taking that other elastic and tying this up. I'm going to repeat the same steps on this side. Okay, now that you look like Angelica from the Rugrats, LOL. Don't I look like Angelica from the Rugrats? Like, hold on. So now, here comes the fun part. You're going to grab your little clips. I have these butterfly clips that I'm going to put in my hair. So we're going to go with the red. And then you're just going to clip them so you don't see the metal part. You just see the colored butterfly part. You just kind of twist them. So I just put on a little setup here. My makeup is done. Yeah. So happy Latinx Heritage Month to all of my Latinos, Latinas, Latinx people. We are celebrating our culture and I can't wait to celebrate this month. Honestly, I wish it was a whole year, but you know, a month is fine. But yeah, I appreciate my culture as a Mexican, and yeah, I wish everybody has a beautiful month of celebrating every country, culture. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Bye!